Hello everyone, welcome back to my SEO series. In this series, I will be telling about you on how to find and fix broken links on your website. Broken links are actually hyperlinks created on the website which are not working. I will be explaining in this video what is the importance of broken links and why you need to remove it and how you can remove it. So let's get started with me. So the point number one is broken links. Actually, broken links, as I told you, links which are not working on your website are broken links. Now, why you need to remove it from your website? It is very important because the impression, the image you are giving to your users, to your visitors, is very important. And in case if there is a link on your website which is not working, it is giving a bad impression in the eyes of the user as well as in the eyes of a search engine crawler. If your website has multiple bad links, since search engine crawler crawls to other link from your link, so if a link is not working on your website, it will give a bad impact for your SEO rankings, which is why I believe that it is very important that you need to fix those broken links. So let's get started on how you can fix those broken links. I will move you towards my website where I will show you how you can do that. Now there are two ways on how you can fix broken links. If your website is not WordPress based, then I will suggest you to use the extension check my link, which is here. What does this application do is this extension automatically figures out and find out which links are working and which has invalid links. So that is a very good tool, very good way through which you can analyze and find out the bad links or the links which are not performing well on your website, which are not working well, have some sort of error. Now the good thing about this tool is right now it is verifying all my tools while I'm having a chat with you, and it has detected around 215 links in this post with Q in 145 links. So far this has discovered 3 invalid links. I understand these are actually true because the 3 invalid links they are actually these tools, the one in red mark, share on Google Plus. Now since Google Plus doesn't work anymore, so I do not have any valid reason to put these links to have these links remain on my website. So if your website is not WordPress, this is a very good tool. Even if it's your website is based on the WordPress, this is also again a very good tool. The other tool which I suggest you is when you move to dashboard of this is a WordPress login index. Now move on to, there is a tools and you have to go to broken links. Okay, now let me also tell you the plugin which is let me show with you the plugin as well, and also it is opening. While the website is being loaded, I am also enjoying tea. Hope you guys like tea as well. So for those asking which tool I am using on WordPress, it is a broken link checker by WPMU Dev. And if you even search on WordPress regarding broken links, you will find many plugins available. You just have to search a broken link and many tools will appear in front of you. You can see I'm using this tool by WPMUD, but there are other tools available as well which you can use as per your convenience. Either for the tool I'm using, which is by WPMUD. Okay, here you go for this. Okay, here you go. Okay, this tool has already figured out some of the some of the links which are not working well. This is a forbidden link, timeout link, errors, along with errors, warnings, redirect. It has actually find out all of my links, and in case if you want to further manage it on how you want it to be managed, all you have to go is you have to move on to your plugin setting. And here in the setting you can determine on look for links in which post, in which segments, where you want to link, check the link, which links to check, protocols, API, advanced. In case links that take longer than 30 seconds will marked as broken, I can move to 60 seconds. Run continuously while the dashboard is open. I have a permission, like I'm deciding on which would be my preference. Okay, I can select these settings. I mean, then it will automatically check out, keeps on checking my links, and I can have a check on how these links are performing. And I can even, all you have to do is I have to verify it. For instance, this is a timeout link because this is a HTTP and I'm right now using HTTPS. So what I have to do is I have to use this edit URL and change this to HTTPS, and this will make it fine in case if the link is working. Okay, there are many links which are not working, and that is actually a very bad thing in SEO, that if your website has multiple broken links, you will have a negative impact in search engine ranking, which will destroy your rankings for the targeted keywords you are working. Remember how much backlinks you are creating for your website. If your user experience is not good, eventually Google will not like you, not rank your website, or give you a penalty for your website. So in either scenario, that is not a good thing to hear about your website, which is why I recommend to fix and figure out, find and fix all the broken links on your website. So I hope you like my video. If you have any questions, you are more than welcome to ask in comments box. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you and bye bye.